Hello friends, in this video I will tell about the important climbers. I will explain the botanical name, family and flowering time of the climbers. What do you mean by climbers? Define climbers. Climbers are plants with a tender stem which grow with the help of external support. These plants produce a twin or hook from their leaves to climb. First climber is asparagus, common name Satavari, botanical name Asparagus racemosus, belong to Liliaceae family. Family is Liliaceae, white, fragrant in simple raceme, either one or two, brucked small. Flowering time is October to January. Next climber is Almanda. Botanical name Almanda blanchet. Family Apocynaceae. Habit Serbi climber with milky latex. Flowers large, tubular, lavender to purple flowers. Next climber is Clerodendron. Common name red bleeding heart. Botanical name Clerodendron spiosum. Family Verbenaceae. Flowering time March to May. It is cultivated as an ornamental plant, in particular for its bright red color. Next climber is helicopter flower. Botanical name Hyptes bengalensis. Family Malpighiaceae family. Flowering and fruiting time is January to May. Flower color is white. Next climber is scarlet morning glory, scarlet creepers. Botanical name is Ipomia hedrifolia. Family Convolvulaceae. Flowering and fruiting time is September to January. Flower color is red. Cultivated on the hedges. Next climber is butterfly pea. Botanical name Clitoria ternatia. Family Pipilioceae. Flowering and fruiting time is July to January. Common in hedges. Everywhere seeds are given as laxative for children. Next climber is golden pothos. Botanical name Epipernum aerium. Family Araceae. Flower color is white or light green. It is very popular as houseplant. Next climber is Chameli. Common name star jasmine. Botanical name Jasminum multiflorum. Family Oleaceae. Flowering time is December. Cultivated in garden for its aromatic flowers. Next climber is Passiflora. Common name love in a mist. Botanical name Passiflora foetida. Family Passifloraceae. A small climber with foet smell and simple lateral tendril. Flowering time July to September. Common in monsoon in the gardens. Next climber is purple wreath. Botanical name Patria volubilis. Belong to Verbenaceae family. Flowering time is January to March. Cultivated in the garden as one of the most beautiful climbers, with long spike of star-like blue flowers. Flower color is blue. Next climber curtain creeper. Vernonin creeper. Botanical name Vernonia eleginifolia. Family Asteraceae. Composite family. A quick growing evergreen climber. Flower pinkish white in small luxury head about 1.5 centimeter diameter. It is a very useful and popular climber for screening. Next climber is blue sky flower. Botanical name Thunbergia grandiflora. Family Acanthaceae. Flowering time is February to September. Commonly cultivated in the garden for its showy flowers. Next, Indian Tinospora. Botanical name Tinospora cardifolia. Belong to family Manispermaceae. Flowering time April to May. The stems are used as a decoration for well known tonic properties. The dry stem powdered after drying in the shade are used to reduce high blood pressure. Next climber is flame vine. Botanical name Bignonia venusta. Family Bignoniaceae. Flowering and fruiting time is December to February. Cultivated in garden everywhere for its beautiful vermilion, orange, crimson colored flowers. Next climber is Kumarica. Common name is Kumarica. Botanical name is Smilix ovalifolia. Family Smilaceae. Flowering and fruiting time is August. Cultivated in the garden. If you liked our video, then like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.